Hello, my loves. Welcome back to Moondrop's YouTube channel. Today's lesson is how to draw feet. This cute feet. Alright, let's get it started. When you draw something hard, just draw it with square circles. For this front foot, cut it half and cut it over here. Alright, so how you draw is like this. Then we go draw some small circles. And then draw lines more thick. And if you can, for the detailed one, draw some shadow. And also, of course, draw toenails. One by one, little by little. Then make more details on it. Remember this one when you're drawing details. I'm gonna draw some bones. Okay, so now let's move to the other view of drawing feet. Draw pointy part. Then of course we draw lines more thicker. For side view, you should draw this bone. Then we go put more shadows. Now I'm going to show you how I draw feet with shoes. I have drawn pants, socks, so now let's draw boots. For right one is side view. And for the left one is front view. Put highlight, yoink. Now this is detailed part. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna put ribbons on this boot. I'm gonna put some shadows below. Okay, so today's lesson done here. Subscribe, like, alarm on my YouTube channel. It will help me a lot. Thank you so much everyone watching this till the end. I will see you guys with next content. Bye!